Yo, what is good, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a highly requested video about how to connect TradeSea to Lucid propfirm accounts, and TradeSea is pretty much like the new PROJECTX. I say it's better than PROJECTX because you can actually copy trade Lucid accounts and you can also copy trade Tradeify accounts, and I believe they're also going to be adding some more prop firms in there as well. So this is going to be a nice short and sweet type of video. Before we get into this, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here. Let's get right into it. So step one, all that you're going to want to do is hop on TradeSea's actual website, which is just tradesea.ai. Next step is to just create an account. You can continue with Google right here, or you can sign up with email. Once you create your account, this is what the platform looks like. As you can see, it's literally just like PROJECTX, but you can actually copy trade more accounts on it, and you can actually connect prop firm accounts to this. So it's literally like PROJECTX, but better. And obviously we don't want to just trade the demo account that they give us because, you know, we actually want to make money, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to lucidtrading.com. This is the prop firm that I recommend. This prop firm is literally just like Topstep, especially their 50K flex accounts. These are the accounts that I personally trade. I have 5 of these right now. Pretty much a 3K profit target, 2K max loss limit, end of day drawdown, no daily loss limit, and on eval there is a consistency rule of 50%. And what I really like about these flex accounts is that there's no consistency on the funded account, meaning you don't really have to take like 1-on-1s, you don't have to take 1-2s to maintain that consistency rule. You can catch big ass moves using these flex accounts. Oh, and also forgot to mention there's literally no activation fee as well. Once you decide that this is the account that you want, or if you want the straight to funded account, anything like that, then go down to select platform. And this is very important because if you want to actually trade with TradeSea, you have to make sure that you're on a Rhythmic data feed. So right here, hit Rhythmic, not Tradecay Prop, not TradingView, not NinjaTrader. Make sure that you actually click Rhythmic. Very, very important. This is like the most important thing, that when you buy the accounts, you actually buy the Rhythmic data feed. Also, what's really good about Lucid right now is that they gave me a discount code for you guys who are watching on YouTube. Code KRABS gives you 50% off at checkout. So it's literally only 65 bucks after you apply code KRABS. I recommend you get like 5 of these accounts. Don't just get one. Don't be a bum. Literally 50% off, 65 bucks, no activation fee. It's probably like the cheapest prop firm out right now. And I honestly haven't seen anybody else's code give them this much of a discount. So 50% off at checkout. Using code KRABS, get max allocation. You can have a max of 5 accounts on Lucid. And by the way, just in case you're wondering, I'm currently trading 5 Lucid Flex accounts as well, but I did not get the Rhythmic. I have the Tradecay accounts right now. So after I either get payouts on those accounts or I blow those accounts, then I'll get the Rhythmic account so that I can trade on TradeSea. So yeah, that's why it's also very, very important to actually get that Rhythmic data feed so that you can connect it to TradeSea. So yeah, next step after you get your accounts is you're gonna wanna go over to your Lucid Trading dashboard, and you're gonna wanna go over to show credentials. And if you got the Rhythmic platform, you're then gonna have your username and your password right here, which then you can use to connect to TradeSea. Now, if you go back to TradeSea, you can go right here to the top left, hit connect new account, and then go down here to Lucid, hit connect, and then just type in your Rhythmic login that you got from the Lucid website after you bought your accounts. Also, if you trade with Tradeify, you can also copy trade Tradeify accounts as well, which is really, really good. So yeah, just sign in right here, hit simulation, because if you're trading prop firms, it's usually a simulation account. Type in your name, hit non-professional as well if you're not a professional trader. And yeah, overall, what I really like the most about this platform is that you can actually trade 2 prop firms at once. So if you have max allocation Tradeify, max allocation Lucid, that's 10 accounts right there that you could be copy trading right here. And if you actually want to copy trade, just go right here, hit copy trading, and then you can actually add your accounts that you have right here. Set the leader account. Also, you could set yourself some risk rules, set yourself a personal daily loss limit, which is really, really good. This prevents any crashing out. And the main thing that I like about this is the copy trading. Also is that just like PROJECTX, you could drag out your stop loss right away, drag out your TP. It shows you how much money you're risking, how much your TP is, and based on that, you know, you can get into positions and exit positions very fast. Because for me personally, one of my favorite things with PROJECTX and just Topstep in general was that you can get in real quick, drag out your stop right away, and actually see how much you're risking right when you get into that position. So yeah, just wanted to keep this video nice and short and sweet, how to connect TradeSea to your Lucid propfirm account. And honestly, I think that this is the next PROJECTX, just because you're going to be able to trade multiple prop firms at once on this and copy trade them. So yeah, also if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, helps the channel grow. Till next time, love you all, peace out.